Good morning. Oh my God, it is another glorious morning. Got a busy day ahead. Oh my God, where do I start? Got this KTM, we still got to finish up. This has been washed. We just got to detail that. I'm in good company today. Check this beast out. Oh yeah, baby. So yes, we got the KTM to finish, CB1000R to finish for HGB. I've got Rowan's CBX over there, which I don't know when I'm going to get time to do. And I've just got my first client turned up. One we've not done before, a Harley Davidson Pan American. This is 3,000 miles. She is hanging. I don't know why they don't put stainless spokes on these bikes. Look at all these spokes. Look at that, all the corrosion. What the hell am I supposed to do with that? Look at these disc bolts. 3,000 freaking miles. All this, it's such a shame it's not fully protected from new. Look at the end of the exhaust. That's all corrosion setting in. Anyway, this is in for a full works valet. Full protection. We're gonna get it fully minted up. I got loads of paint correcting to do. This black paintwork shows all the scratches. Look at that. Oh, see if we can polish those out. Get some Ultimaxx Ceramic on it when it's finished. Get some XCP all over the motor, all the other bits and pieces. We'll probably have to paint that center stand as that's gone rusty. So we got our work cut out for us. Let's get cracking. Okay, she's all washed, blow dried. We've XCP'd all the motor, all the suspension linkages, painted the center stand, touched up as much as we could. Every little bracket had XCP on it as they were all starting to corrode, all the motor, all up underneath the sink. We painted a few bits here that were all rusty. Now we're gonna see if we can do something to this paintwork. I don't know what the hell has been going on here, but look at that, 3,000 miles. This paint must be so soft. Look, oh God, what am I supposed to do with that? Anyways, let's do a few runs, see if we can improve it somewhat. We shall do what we can. There you go, 4 hours and a bit. This Harley has been trotted. Oh my God, this is gonna be on that list of dreaded bikes to do, but looking pretty good now. We've done a full wash, as you saw previously. Got a load of XCP on the motor, all your running gear fixings, you know, chain adjusters, things like that have had a nice coating. Obviously, as you can see, it does corrode quite quickly. We've done the best we can with those back spokes. Touched up a few rusty disc bolts. All the banjo bolts have been touched up. I polished that exhaust up the best I could. Unfortunately, it's not the best material, so it doesn't polish up that good, but we've done what we can with it. All of the paintwork, I've done 2-3 runs with it. Managed to get a nice bit of gloss back. Got rid of a lot of those scratches. I'll get my light out in a second, show you. Unfortunately, a lot of this is just plastic, so it doesn't polish up that well, but it looks pretty damn good. We used the old Diamond Cut 3000, this Cartec. I've absolutely chuffed to bits with this stuff. Finished off with the 9000, and then we prepped it and treated it to a nice coating of the signature quartz Ultimaxx Ceramic. Really brings that gloss out. Anyway, client should be chuffed. A little bit longer than I was hoping, but I think we got a good result on this. Just gonna show you the paintwork with the light. It's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was. Nice and glossy. Looking sweet.